and I hope you have understood the concept and applying the concept. The only thing that you have to do is to just practice as many questions as possible. And once that is done, you will be very confident enough. Take 3 minutes to solve this question. I'll start the timer. Please take 3 minutes. The time is up. Please select the option choices that you have got in the channel. Around 27% have got option A, 27% have got option B, 46% have got option C, and nobody has got option D. So let's see what they're asking. They're saying that 12 men work 8 hours per day and require 10 days to build a wall. If 8 men are available, how many hours per day must they work to finish the work in 8 days? So compared to the previous questions, one additional thing that we have got is the number of hours. So when they give hours, you have to multiply under the time, under the chart, under the time you have to consider, you have to multiply these 8 hours into 10 days. So we'll take it as hours. Total time would be like 80 days, 80 hours. So let's set up the chart. We have rate, time, and then we have work. What they're saying is 12 men, let the rate of work of each man be R. So 12 men would take 8 hours per day and require 10 days to build a wall. 8 hours into 10. So to build one wall. And if 8 men are available, how many hours per day must they work to finish the work in 8 days? So there are 8 men. The combined rate would be 8 hours. And we don't know how many hours they need to work. That's what they're asking. So let that be H. And the days they need to work is 8 days. And they have to complete the work one wall. So we have two equations. It is from this R into T is equal to W. We have 12R into 8 into 10 is equal to 1. And 8R into H into 8 is equal to 1. And if we divide these two, we have 12R into 8 into 10 divided by 8R into H into 8 equal to 1. We cancel R and R, and then we'll bring this, we cancel 8 and 8, and we bring this H here, 12 into 10 divided by 8. We have 2 4s are 2 6 are, and then 2 2s are 2 3s are, 2 1s are 2 5s are, 5 3s are 15. Number of hours that they need to work is 15 hours. I hope you have understood this. If you still have any doubts, please ask. Please raise your hand if you have any doubt, or else if there is no doubt, we'll move to the next question. Okay, we'll move to the next question. So take 3 minutes to solve this. The time is up. Please select this asking. If 1 man or 2 women or 3 boys can do a piece of work in 55 days, then 1 man, 1 woman, and 1 boy will do it in how many days? So what they're saying is, they're giving the rates of these people, and then they're saying what if they work together, and what would be, in how many days can they do the work? So we'll set up the chart just like normal. Okay, RTW. They're saying 1 man. So let's 1 man, let the rate of man be Rn, can do the work in 55 days. 1. And 2 women, 2 into RW, can do a piece of work in again 55 days. Or 3 boys, the rate of boys, again they can do that in 55 days. And then they are saying, what if then 1 man, 1 woman, and 1 boy, that is 1 man, 1 woman, and 1 boy. If they work together, how many days will they take to do the work, complete the work? So we have this equation, and we have this equation also. We know that R into T is equal to W. So from there we can say Rm is equal to 1 by 55. Rw is equal to 1 by 2 into 55. Rb is equal to 1 by 3 into 55. And what we'll do is we'll input this thing in this equation. So we have this equation Rm plus Rw plus Rb into D equal to 1. And we have Rm is 1 by 55. Rw is 1 by 2 into 55 plus Rb is equal to 1 by 3 into 55 into D is equal to 1. And if we remove 1 by 55 as common, we have 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into D is equal to 1. And this can be like this fraction we add, it will become 6 plus 3 plus 2 into D is equal to 1. Is 1 by 55 into 1, sorry, this is 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11 by 6 into D is equal to 1. We have 11 ones, 11 fives are. D is equal to 6 into 5, that is equal to 30. So if all the three people, that is one man, one woman, and one boy work together, they'll take 30 days to complete the work. So the answer choice is B. I hope you have solved this. If you have any doubt, you can please ask. If you have no other doubts, we'll move to the next question. Okay, we'll move to the next question. I hope there is no more doubt in this question. We'll move to the next question. Please take 3 minutes to solve this. Guys, this is x raised to x square. That upper arrow mark is x square. X square into y to the power of -3. So that is to the power. That is the power y square and x raised to -3. The time is up. Please select the options that you have got. So around option D, 50% have got option D, option A around 33%, and option B 17%. Let's see how to solve this. If X men working X hours per day can do X units of working X days, then Y men working Y hours per day in Y days would be able to do K units of work. What is the value of K? So what they're asking is, they are trying to ask you the value of K. So let us set up the chart here. We have rate, time, and work. So what they're saying is X men working X hours per day. Let the rate of work be R. So we have X into R for X hours per day for X days. So we have X into X. And then work is also X units. And then they're saying, then Y men, let it be Y, the rate is the same. They're going to work at the same rate. And they're working Y hours per day for Y days. And they're going to do K units of work. And they're asking you to find out what is K. So again, just like the normal formula, R into T is equal to W. We have the first equation, that is X into R into X, that is X square. This is X square. It is equal to X. And then Y into R into Y square, it is equal to K. Let's divide these two equations. X into R into X square divided by Y into R into Y square equal to X by K. So X and X gets cancelled. R gets cancelled. And then we have K is equal to, we move this K here and this here. K, this implies that K k is equal to y into y cube divided by x square. This is equal to y cube into x raised to minus 2. That is option D, y cube into x raised to minus 2. I hope you have got this answer. If you still have any doubt, please ask, or else we'll move to the next question. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Please take 3 minutes to solve this. And the time is up. Please select the options that you have got. There are only 2 votes, so please select. So 50% have got option B, 50% have got option D. Nobody has got option A or option C. So we'll see how to do this. So in this question, it's about the tabs. Excuse me. They're saying 2 tabs can fill a tub in 5 minutes and 7 minutes respectively, and a pipe can empty it in 3 minutes. If all the 3 are kept open simultaneously, when will the tub be full? So they're saying that there are 2 taps that are going to fill the tub in 5 minutes and 7 minutes, and one will empty the tub in 3 minutes. This pipe will empty the tub, and these 2 will fill the tub. And if all the 3 are open, that is 2 taps that will be filling the tub, and 1 tap or pipe will be emptying the tub, then when will the tub be full? So just like the normal way, we'll create a chart here. Rate time into work. Let the rate of the tub, let's say the tub 1 we have, that is going to fill it in 5 minutes. This is 1 tub. And then the second pipe will fill it in 7 minutes. Again, it will fill only 1 tub. And the third pipe, here you can take the rate as negative or the work as negative. I'm taking the work as negative. So they are saying that it will empty the tub in 3 minutes. So it will empty 1 full tub. So I've written -1. And then they're saying, what if they are all together open? What if they are all together open, and how much time it will take to fill it? It's filling, not emptying. So I've written 1 here. So from the standard formula, that is R into T is equal to W, we have this R1 is equal to 1 by 5, R2 is equal to 1 by 7, R3 is equal to -1 by 3. And then we have this third part. So we have this third part, that is R1 plus R2 plus R3 into P is equal to 1. Then we have this 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 is 1 by 3 into T is equal to 1. And then we have this 5, 7, 3. The reciprocal would be 5 into 7 into 3. So we do it. 1 and 7. The LCM would be 5, the 7 into 3, and the numerator would be 7 into 3 plus 3 into 5 minus 5 into 7 into T is equal to 1. So this, what I can do is, this is 7 3s are 21 plus 5 3s are 15 minus 35 divided by, I'll just keep it as 5 into 7 into 3 into T is equal to 1. And then this is 21 plus 15 is 36. And 36 minus 35 into 5 into 7 into 3 into t is equal to 1. So this is 1 by 7 5 is 35. 3 is 105 into t is equal to 1. This implies t is equal to 105 minutes. So when all the three pipes are like the pipe and there's two pipes and one pipe which is empty inlet are open, it will fill the tub in 105 minutes. I hope you have got this. If you still have any doubts, you can ask. Take 3 minutes to solve this. Yeah, please select the options. We have 27% have got option A, 37% have got option B, 36% have got option C, and 0% have got option D. Nobody has got option D. So this is a curious question because this question is from CDS, and a similar question has been asked. This is, I think, 2022 or 2021. I'm not very sure, but something very similar has been asked in UPSC CSAT also, I think 2022, last year prelims. So this is the importance of doing questions from UPSC exams. So we'll see how to solve this. We have 8 men or 12 women can do a piece of work in 24 days. In how many days can the work be done by 8 men and 12 women? So first they're saying that only if 8 men work, they'll take 24 days, or if 12 women work, they'll take 24 days. What if they combinedly work? Then what would be the time they have taken? They can take. See, for example, this can be solved even without doing anything. They're saying one group of people can do it in 24 days. Another group of people can do it in 24 days. And if they combine together, see, in this question, they're saying the same 8 men and the same 12 women. So this group is same. This is the same group. Let's say that is X and Y. The group is same. So what if they combine together and form the work? Obviously, they'll do it. They'll take half the time. It is 12 days. Without calculation, you can do. But if this number would have changed, then you have to do it using the chart. We'll also do it using the chart. So without the chart, this is the way we have to solve this. This could take less than 30-40 seconds. Using the chart, I'll just show you with the chart also. So we have RTW. Let the rate of men be RM, and they have 8 men, and they take 24 days to complete a work. And then you have 8 women, let that be RW, 24 days to again complete one work. And they are saying, what if 8 RM plus 12 RM, if they combine together and work, what time would they take to complete the same work, one work? So we have this RM is equal to 1 by 24 RW. Sorry, this is RW. W is equal to 1 by 24 and into 8. And this is into 12. So we have this 8 into RM is 1 by 24 into 8 plus 12 into RW is 1 by 24 into 12 into D is equal to 1. This is from this equation. And then we have 8 and 8 cancel, 1 by 24 plus 12 and 12 cancels, 1 by 24 into D is equal to 1. This is 2 by 24 into D is equal to 1. This implies D is equal to 24 by 2, that is equal to 12. The correct option is option A. You could have done this like this, or directly you could have said that one group, 8 men can do it in 24 days. 12 women can do it in 24 days. If they combine together, they would do it in half the number of days. That is 12. Excuse me. If you still have any doubt, please ask, or else we'll move to the next question. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Please take 3 minutes to solve this. Yeah, the time is up. Please select this answers that you have got. This is one particular type. This is another type of question that normally they ask. We'll see what the question is asking. In an army camp, a ration is available for 100 soldiers for 10 days. After 2 days, 60 soldiers joined. Then for how many more days will the remaining ration last? So instead of work, we have food here. So what we'll do is we'll again set up the chart. We have rate, time, and instead of work, we'll have food here. And what they're saying is an army camp has ration that is available for 100 soldiers. So let the rate of eating of one soldier be R. Then they are saying there are 100 soldiers, and the food is there for 10 days. The total food, then what we can do is we can multiply these two, and we can say that we have 1000 R units of food. Let this be any units of food. And then what they're saying is after 2 days, 60 soldiers more joined. So what will happen for the 2 days? These 100 soldiers will consume some food. How much will they consume for 2 days? That is 100 R into 2. That is for 2 days they'll eat around 200 R units of food. So the remaining food would be 800 R units of food. Now they're saying 60 more soldiers joined. So 100 becomes 160, and the same eating speed, eating efficiency or whatever it is, so that is same. And they're asking for how many days will this remaining part last. So let that be D. So we can use this R into T is equal to W for formula. So we have 160 R into D is equal to 800 R. This is the remaining food units that we have. And R and R we cancel, and then D is equal to 800 divided by 160. This is 5. So D is equal to 5 days. So it will remain for another 5 days. I hope you have understood this question. If you have any doubts, please ask. We'll start with the UPSC CSE questions. So this is something similar. I hope it is visible. So please take 3. Yeah, the time is up. I'm happy that around 72% have got option D, 14% have got option A, 7% have got option B, and 7% have got option C. So let's see how to solve this. This is like the same previous questions that we have solved. In a garrison, there was food for 1,000 soldiers for 1 month. After 10 days, 1,000 more soldiers joined the garrison. How long would the soldiers be able to carry on with the remaining food? So one assumption we can do is we can say that in 1 month there are 30 days instead of 31 days. So let's say we have R, T, and then food. So we had food for 1,000 soldiers. Let them eat R units per day, R units of food per day. And then they are saying that they had food for 30 days, that is 1 month. So the total was 30,000 R. Then after 10 days, so these people consume the food for 10 days. That was 10,000 R. And the remaining was 20,000 R. and then 1000 more got added. So we had 1000 more, so it becomes 2000 R, 2000 soldiers, and we have to find out for how many days. How long would the soldiers be able to carry on with the remaining food? This is the remaining food. These are the number of soldiers. This is the rate at which they eat. This is the number of days. So we use this formula. So the R into D is equal to 20,000 into R cancels. And then we have 3 zeros and 3 zeros. 2 ones are 2 tens are. So D is equal to 10 days. So our correct option is option D. I hope you have all got the answers. If you still have any doubt in this, please ask. If there is no more doubt, we'll move to the next question. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Take 3 minutes to solve this. Yeah, the time is up. Please select the options that you've got. There are 30% votes for option A, 20% for option B, 10% for option C, and now that is changed. So majority have got option D. So we'll see how to solve this question. So what they're saying is there is a tank full of petrol in Arun's motorcycle lasts for 10 days. If he starts using 25% more every day, how many days will the tank full petrol last? So again, we'll have this rate, time, and then work. Instead of work, we have this petrol here, tank full. So we have let the rate be R, and he has the petrol for 10 days, and then that becomes 10R. This is the worth of fuel that is there in the tank. And then they're saying if he starts using 25% more, so 25% means 1 plus 25 by 100. It becomes 1.25. This is if the rate increases by 25%, then it becomes 1.25 R. And then they are asking for how many days the tank full will last. And this is the capacity of the tank, and it is 10 R. We multiply this in this equation, R into T is equal to W. So we have this R 1.25 R into D is equal to 10 R. R gets cancelled. D is equal to 10 by 1.25. And if you are having trouble with multiplying this, you can convert this 1.25 instead like this here. This becomes 1, 25 ones are 25 fours are. This becomes 1 plus 1 by 4. This is 5 by 4. So for 1.25 becomes 10 divided by 5. The 4 goes to the numerator. And the 5 twos are 4 twos are 8. So if he starts using 25% more, he can use that full tank for only 8 more days. So the correct answer is option D. I hope you have understood this. We'll solve one more question and we'll end the day here. So please take 3 minutes to solve this question. The time is up. Majority have got option B. We'll see how to go about this. This is a standard question that we face. There are two pipes A and B which can independently fill a tank completely in 20 and 30 minutes respectively. If both the pipes are open simultaneously, how much time it will take to fill the tank completely? We have R, T, and W. We have rate of A that independently fills the tank in 20 minutes. It is one tank. And then we have rate of V, and that also fills in 30 minutes. And they are saying what if they both are open together, and we have to find the T. So we have RA is equal to 1 by 20, RB is equal to 1 by 30. So we have this RA plus RB into T is equal to 1. RA is 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 into t is equal to 1. I have this 30 plus 20 divided by 20 into 30 is equal to into t is equal to 1. This implies that t is equal to 20 into 30 divided by 50. 5 ones are 5 fours. We have 4 threes are 12. It is 12 minutes. The correct option is option B. So there is no more doubt here. Thank you for coming. We'll meet Monday at 8 o'clock. Thank you. Good night.